Hey guys, welcome back to Rusted Up. We're going to do an off-roading challenge, and this may not look like an off-roader because it isn't. But I want to see if we can make this super cheap Ford Ranger into an off-roader, you know, just by doing little things like throwing some tires on. Well, I don't really have the money for a winch. It's part of the reason why I'm using a 2001 Ford Ranger that was in a rollover for an off-roader. It's kind of a budget build. So let me see. It's got the, it's got a hood. Hey, I opened it. It's got the 4.0 V6 in it, and it, you know, it's in pretty good condition, low mileage. The engine's in good condition. The transmission is in good condition. But the body and the frame are kind of, they're pretty bad. So let me see. Yeah, we got plastic trim here coming off, and I'm going to have to rip that off eventually, but I don't know if I'm ready yet. I think I'm going to have to take a Sawzall to it to cut it loose. It's kind of stuck by the bolts, so, you know, I don't know if I can get it off. Let me try on this side here. There's a piece here. It seems to, it's pretty well stuck. I'll just tuck that back in there. I don't think it's coming loose. It's going to be too much trouble to get that loose. And I would open up this door, but the outside door handle doesn't work. So in a second here, we'll probably whip it around and take a look at the back side, see what's wrong underneath it. Really that interesting in the front up here, so let's move on to the back. Oh, hey look, the tires I was looking for. That's convenient. Thunderer, when you know you need quality. Yeah.
Yeah, got some weight reduction for you.
Custom clearance, as Tim would say. Hey, let's take a look at some of this front suspension here.
That's fine.
So after Jorden took off the front tire here, I noticed there's no sway bar link connected. But, you know, as Tim would say, that's fine. It'll be fine. So guys, you can tell we did the tow challenge with this thing, and we may have broken a leaf spring. It might be a little damaged. It's kind of hard to tell with the metal sheared off right there. And it looks like, if you see this cross member in the middle here, it's kind of hanging on the rear pumpkin. So the bed got damaged somehow. Not really sure how that happened, but, you know, I think it'll make it off-road. We can make it work. So, there may be some play in this rear axle here because it's sliding back and forth. The lug nuts are totally on. That's literally play in the axles coming in and out. So that should be fun on the road and the highway and stuff. Definitely.
Just weld it.
I think the list would be shorter to tell you what is right with this bed. And it's nothing. There is nothing underneath it. I feel like I'm walking on soft snow. And I'm afraid I'm going to go through it.
So peaceful.
Right. In a flood of beer cans.
Please don't. That looks safe. Not a good idea.
Tim, how
especially
about
with where the jack stand is sitting. Not a good idea.
Ooh, yeah.
Alright, I want to get down now.
Mm-hmm.
Well, that's what that is. It's an ATV plow. What's that sound?
Not leaving the... Stuck. Safety guy.
Where's something I can reach it with?
I ain't scared.
Let's see what it sounds like with the brand new exhaust. Well, guys, we got the Thunder mud tires on there. We've got the broken leaf springs, the coils that are totally broken off in the rear. No, what are they? Shocks. Thank you. The shocks that are totally broken off the frame in the rear. Like literally, you can flop them around. And so the leaf springs, the shocks, the sway bar link that is broken in the front, and we are ready to go mudding. Here goes nothing.